Well, thank you and welcome to Luo Online. First of all, may I request you to subscribe, and if you get time, always visit the official website www.theluo.online. Now, the topic today is about why they actually have elephant as a totem, or as their totem. They actually did not choose the elephant as their totem. Elephant was chosen or given by the British government. There is a fake side of the story which says it is the elephant that led the Acholi people through the Nile. They followed the elephant's the trampling, to lead them until they settled in northern Uganda. That is a false story. We're going to come up with evidence later. Now, the true story is, it is the British analyzed the behavior of the Acholi people. Acholi stayed with the British for long, persevering their colonialism oppression, getting people, killing, taking people to slavery, rape, grabbing, sexual slavery for people's girls, sexual slavery for people's wives, and so on and so on. Then the British thought actually are doing nothing because they were completely defeated and they have completely given up. Little did they know that they actually kept it in their heart. So, after a long time, after years, actually erupted with rebellion known as the Lamug Rebellion. The interest to grab land and so on actually erupted via the Lamug Rebellion, which was the only toughest rebellion in Uganda. The rest of other Ugandans were just collaborators of the colonialists. I think that's why maybe they're somehow brown. Anyway, that's a joke, but that joke could be near the truth. So, this action by Acholi after years shocked the British, and they said, wow, how comes all this long we thought these guys had given up, or they were not knowing what to do. Now they have surprised us with that. Come on. So they came to realize that the Acholi people can keep grudge for as long as it can. Even if it is only one Acholi left on us, they will keep it for as long as it can be kept. This was related to the science of the elephant. An elephant, if you hurt the elephant or you beat the elephant today, even if after 50 years, the elephant will still have it in the mind and heart, and will still know that you are the one who did it, and will still punish you, will still revenge, unless you find a way to appease the elephant with the banana. Or, in other words, go apologize to the Acholi people. So that is why the Acholi people were given the elephant. Mark this point very well. They actually are given elephant because you just joke around with them, insult them, abuse them, oppress them, do whatever thing against the Acholi people. But our however much the years are long, like what, Acholi will take that revenge if you don't apologize and make fundamental change. That is why the Acholi people have the elephant as their totem. So if you are an Acholi, whenever you're moving anywhere and you call yourself, we are the elephants, don't think because of your size of the body. It is because of the nature of your behavior, which shocked the mind of the British people. If you meet an Acholi and you call them the elephant, don't think because of the size of the body. There are a lot of tall people in other tribes, a lot of fat people in other tribes, but that character is rare. Keeping the grudge like elephant is only with the Acholi people. So when you call them the elephant, know that it is because they have a higher memory card to keep what's wrong. They will always forgive you several times. That's why some other politicians like saying it is very difficult to make an Acholi annoyed, but once an Acholi is annoyed, it's again very difficult to stop. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, remind you to subscribe, like the video, and share it to your friends also to get the information. And don't mind. If you don't mind, you can give us the feedback in the comment. As I sign out, I hope I see you in the next video if you subscribe. Bye bye.